too deep. Rolling with tube, you guys. What do you got there? Got a fish? Wow, look at that. Eagle's got a fish. Nice. Looks good. Sashimi. What kind of fish it is. Oh. Hi, Bo. I see it. Hey, Bo. Nice runway. Seagull caught a fish up there. No, they're swimming here. No good. Keep walking, guys. Come on, keep walking. Onshore breeze, you guys. Like, it's perpendicular, 90 degrees to shore. Really strong onshore breeze. And my wheel was binding up, I think. My battery wire was hitting my wheel, which is for some reason protruding through the battery tray. I think my shim, I had it really close to flush. I gotta check that. Here. I got the gear. Good luck. CIA Gitmo Express. My windsock. Morning. We rolling? We're rolling. I gotta remember I might have to crab in on landing. Let's do this. Now the wind shifted, you guys. Shit. Now it's coming this way. Oh, wind shifted totally, you guys. Gotta come the other way. Morning. Let's do this. It's windy as hell, you guys. Look at the wind blow it. Gitmo Express, you guys. Off to Gitmo. Morning. Hey, Maui. Got a strong onshore wind today.
I know. I was coming down the slot, man. I could feel I'm going, oh, I was going to have
Hey, Maui.
How many spirals can you do at a time?
This one has got a really big wing. I can do a few. My jets are better. Can try one. Hold on.
See that thing flying south.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, did I do that to you? do that to you, but you go swim.
Hey Maui, can you go get that, Maui?
I wish I could retrieve.
Oh fuck, man. I went up pretty high too. Guys, that didn't work out so well. Fuck.
Shit, man, I was destroyed. How much is it?
I know. Sad. Dude with Maui asked me to do a flat roll. I was like, oh, okay. A little windy, but, well, didn't make it. It went right in the ocean, man. Fuck. All right, pilots, King Twin. Is it gonna fly again? I don't know. We'll find out. What do you think, Maui? The jet wouldn't have done that 100%. Pilots, it's a tough day in the office. King Twin didn't make it today. Pilot error combined with wind. Back to the hangar for repairs. A little hashtag. It's the in the tube deep walk of shame today, pilots. Here's the remains. Salvaged that foam. I've got both motors, both ESCs, one main, and the nose retract. I don't know. One of them, the one main fell out in the ocean. Fuck. So I sprayed them with alcohol. Gonna see if they survive. Fusey's gone. That's done. Wing done. Nacelles done. One prop broken. The other one's missing. That's it. The CIA Gitmo Express bit the dust. I hope my X8R survived. Battery's okay, I'm sure. Battery tray's okay. That's it. Let's do it. Move on. I can hear taps playing right now. I forgot the wingtips. One wingtip's okay, I think. One of them's thrashed, but at least I used waterproof servos, so those should still be good. All right, you guys, that's it. On to bigger and better. In the tube deep, let's do it. Oh, and the nose cone.